Hi, Mike Stover here. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about what you're hearing about with deferred payments on your mortgage or forbearance. I think it's really important that we talk about this openly and really give you the insight of how this works. So to start off with, if I want to say this to you, if you can make your mortgage payment each month, make your mortgage payment. If you're being offered a way to defer your payment or forbearance, I personally believe you should really get the details on this. They're saying that number one, it will not affect your credit. Okay, fine. That's great. So they're not going to give you this money. They're not going to say, okay, here you go. What they're going to do is they're going to set you up on either a payment program or they're going to want you to pay this all back at one time after the deferred period is up. And these are the things that people aren't aware of. And it's the fine print. I also believe that down the road, you want to sell your home or you want to do something, maybe refinance, you want to do some things, and they're going to ask you on an application, have you ever deferred or used a forbearance program while you own the home? And of course, you have to answer the question honestly or it's considered bank fraud. So again, be very, very careful. If you need to use deferred or forbearance, look into it. Make sure you understand it completely. But if you do not need to and you have the money to make your mortgage payment, continue to make your mortgage payment. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me and I'm happy to talk and discuss this with you.